Good evening, fellow teachers who are under the umbrella of FASTOM and are also ad hoc teachers of the state of Meghalaya, right from LP, UP, secondary, and higher secondary section. Today is the 1st of April, and because we are running out of time, I would want you guys to understand these 4 points. I want to discuss 4 things with you today. I will be quick. Number 1 is I want all of you teachers who are under the Telegram FASTOM group to also take the responsibility upon yourself to invite all the other teachers who are still not in the group. So I want you to tell them about the Telegram group, and I want you to add them in the group so that it'll be very easy for us to work things out. Number 2, I want you to tell the teachers, please communicate with each other. Communicate with each other. Tell the other teachers about the agitational programs that we are having every single day, that we started right from the 21st of March. And we had on the 21st, we had a general meeting of FASTOM at Malki Ground. Right on the 22nd, we started with a peaceful rally. On the 23rd, we had the sit-in demonstration, and we have been sitting there outside the MBO's office for the last 2 weeks. So today is the end of the second week that we have been sitting there at MBO's office. Number 3, I want all of you teachers to get in contact with your students. It doesn't matter they pass from which year, they graduated from which year. I want you to get in contact with some of these students. Tell them about the course. Tell them about the program that we are going to have. Tell them about why we are fighting for our enhancement and why we are fighting this hard this time. So I want you to tell them about it. I want you to tell them that there is going to be a rally, which is one of the biggest rally in the state of Meghalaya. And I want you to tell them to also tell other students about what is going on. And I want all of them to join in the rally that we are going to organize later this month. This is our last chance. This is our last fight that we have against the government, and this is the fight that we have to be really involved in order to get what we want. Let me remind you once again, the salary of the teachers. If we talk about the LP teachers, it's 12,000. If we talk about the UP teachers, it's 16. The secondary, it's 20, and the higher secondary, it's 24. However, all of us, all these different categories, we have decided to come together as one, and we are voicing as one voice against the government to give us equal pay for equal work. Our demand initially was for deficitization. However, if the government cannot deficitize us, then we demand from the government that the government will give us 18,000 rupees and 5% of increment every single year. And the 4th point that I want you to listen very carefully is to be patient. I can see in the group a lot of you are anxious. You cannot wait. You want to agitate, you want to go here, you want to go there, you want to sit here, you want to sit there. And you are talking about all these drastic steps that we can undertake in response to the government who has been so silent. But what I want you to really understand is this. We, the leaders, we have a blueprint. We have each and every single thing of what we are going to do moving forward. So I just want all of you to be patient. Trust us. Trust the process. We cannot mess this up. We cannot commit any mistake this time. We have to be smart. We have to be diligent. We have to know what we are doing, which we know. And we just have to move together as one. I do not want all of you to be so impatient and do not wait. I can understand you have been waiting for so long, but one thing I want you to also understand is that we, the leaders, especially from the higher secondary section, we have been sitting there outside of the MBO's office every single day. We are always there. Me, Miss Deviana's aim, then Sir Andrew Linkoy, and Miss Evangeline Nyangti. These are the teachers who are always there sitting at the MBO's office as standby. When there are less teachers who come there, sometimes some teachers couldn't make it due to some reason, but we are there. So I want you to understand this. Please be patient with us. We are also patient with you. We are also patient with the government. And together, we can win this battle. It is not just a battle of a single person. It is not just my battle. It is not just a battle of Miss Deviana or Miss Nyangti or Sir Andrew. It is not our battle. It is not also a battle of Sir Kardeo Sao, who also have always been there. Then we have Sir Karsenteng, who's also always there. So these are also the teachers who are the rock and the anchor of FASTOM for so long. So just be patient with us. We will win this war. Thank you so much. We will be coming to Garo Hills very soon. And I hope to see as many teachers as possible in Garo Hills. This is our fight. We will win this fight. Thank you.